So where are we? What's going on here? We're here at Aroha, which is my favorite yoga retreat in the world. Totally gorgeous place. I've been on 3 yoga retreats here. So this is where everyday people come to get their massages. You get a massage every single day. There is a view out the window. And anyway, 2 of my artworks are here. I'll tell you about it while we go. I think she just went in with Hector. Yeah, lucky her. He's my favorite masseuse here. We call him Hector the Molector. Oh, okay, here, we can get another look at it. So you can imagine this thing at night when the light is on it properly. It really glows nicely. And I'll show you more about how it's made. I'm gonna link to the video that shows how these things are made. They're all made in Germany, in a place called Düsseldorf. Greiger is the name of the printer. Greiger. Okay, let's walk over. Let's walk over to the other main area. Yeah, so when you're here at the yoga retreat, you stay in these places over here. It's great. You have yoga twice a day. You go on these beautiful hikes through all of these mountains. Incredible hikes. It's great. Take your camera around, all kinds of stuff. So what happens with these photos? Well, I only print, here, I'll flip the camera around here so you can see me. Oh, I can't do it like this. So I only print 3 of each photo. So like that one you saw, I actually had it collected by 2 of them because he liked it so much. One that he could resell and one that he hangs on to. Each print, look at these sheep over here. So nice. Each print sells for $75,000 for the first 2, and then print 3 of 3 is $95,000. So what collectors do is they buy one, they hang it, they enjoy it for a while, and they resell it. You know, they can resell it for $100,000, $200,000, $250,000 or more. Now, I don't get any of that profit, but the collectors do. You see, that's how it works. There's my truck. There's actually an active yoga retreat going on here now, so I'm trying not to spoil the mood at all. My other piece is hanging inside of here. It's a piece from Yellowstone. Hello, hello. How are you? Good. Are you having a good week?
Fantastic.
Good. No drama?
No.
No drama. Oh, thank you very much.
Right.
Doing a little tour here of this art.
Oh, awesome.
Art tour. Thank you. Yeah, so this is one of my favorite pieces. This is from Yosemite, and this is printed with that same technique. All this stuff comes out of Greiger, and you can imagine how different this looks in the morning, middle of the day, nighttime. Of course, it's so shiny that it gets a lot of reflection during the day, but at night it absolutely glows. I like the reflection during the day because if you think about it, like we're here in the middle of mountains. If you look at the reflections, you can see these different mountains here. And then when you scoot back, it kind of blends into the mountains that are in the photo itself. Yeah, all right, so anyway, what I will do is I will link you. I could show you more of this place, but I don't want to ruin the vibe. They make all their own food. It's all like raw vegan. Back there is their yoga room. I wonder if I could go see the yoga room. Back out of here. There's some people in there doing a little bit of reading and stuff. We don't want to ruin their mojo. You know what I mean? Okay, we'll just retreat back into the car. I guess I should have come when nobody was around. Anyway, there's a little tour of the art. Hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay, driving back home now. Bye, guys.